Look through the windows of my soul and see what I see. You'll see so much pain, you might find it hard to sleep. This shit is raw from the garden which I hardly speak. Flirting with death, never learn to move cautiously. This the art of war, and I'm the god of war. Moving round vultures trying to hide that cold mystique. Rain pouring through the cracks of the rooftop of the crib. Nightmares from the past to some of the things I did. Now it's roof Chris and plenty toys for the kids. Friends turn to Judas, a caged bird never wins. Wind beneath my wings, kiss the crown of the king. They want off with my head, but missing with every swing. Swift as gazelles, hopping through streams, running through trees. Would he have died if his mother was there to beg and plead for his life? Oh my God, what it means to be free. All my life, so free. Free as a kite, free as a bird, free as the light, feeling superb. May the light shine down on you. Wipe your eyes and smile. Don't cry, don't cry. Free as a kite, free as a bird, free as the light, feeling superb. May the light shine down on you. Wipe your eyes and smile. Memories never fade. I tell your kids you were real. You taught me honor and always keep a weapon concealed. Life's a Ferris wheel. It goes round and round. Sipping tea with orange peels, trying to calm the sound of your daughter asking questions like, who was my daddy? Did he love me? I reply sadly, he placed no one above you. Unfortunately, he's no longer here. You got his eyes, so I know his spirit's close and near. Plus you're so wise and you've grown way before your years. And life get dark sometimes, but know the sun appears. And when you love something, you gotta hold that. Never know what'll happen, so you can't hold back. I got promises I cannot break. That's deep inside till the day I reach heaven's gate. Your secret hide, may these flowers on your grave bring your soul peace. Another scripture manufactured for these cold streets. Free as a kite, free as a bird, free as the light, feeling superb. May the light shine down on you. Wipe your eyes and smile. Don't cry, don't cry. Free as a kite, free as a bird, free as the light, feeling superb. May the light shine down on you. Wipe your eyes and smile.
Did you want to see me broken? Bowed head and lowered eyes, shoulders falling down like teardrops, weakened by my soulful cries. Does my sassiness affect you? Don't take it so hard just because I laugh, as if I have gold mines digging in my own backyard. You can shoot me with your words,